Long arm application. For indications where immobilisation of the wrist joint and elbow joint is required. Delta-Dry Stockinette is a water-resistant thin stockinette intended to be used in combination with Delta-Dry padding under synthetic cast tape to pad the limb and protect it during cast removal. It allows the patient to continue daily activities of bathing, washing and swimming should the doctor approve. Before start of application, define position of limb. Elbow flexed to 90 degrees, wrist in slight dorsal flexion and neutral ulnar radial deviation. Choose appropriate width of Delta-Dry stockinette that will fit snugly but does not constrict the patient's arm. Measure the length from shoulder to fingers. Add 50% of length and cut it from the roll. Measure where to place the thumb hole and make a little cut with scissors. Roll up stockinette before applying on limb to overcome sliding pressure during application. Roll off and remove all wrinkles and creases. Take a double thumb length of 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch width Delta-Dry stockinette to protect the thumb area. Make a cut into the piece and slide this over the thumb. Cut the piece from the other side and fold it back to protect the skin and create a soft edge at the thumb area. Choose appropriate width of Delta-Dry padding. Please note that Delta-Dry is constructed with adhesive applied to one side. The adhesive side is to aid application and should be applied away from the skin. Cut a small cross in the padding. Put the thumb through the cross, fixating the padding for easier application. Apply the padding by going through the web space once and work proximally with a 50% overlap. This technique creates 2 layers of padding and should be sufficient in most applications. If additional padding is required over bony prominences, it's preferable to apply a piece cut from the roll and place adhesive side down on top of the 2 layers. Put on protective gloves before applying the synthetic cast tape. Choose appropriate width of cast tape and dip the bandage in water according to cast tape activation instructions. Apply the synthetic cast tape by using standard application techniques for a long arm cast. Start wrapping cast at the wrist, go through the web space and work proximally with a 50% overlap. Before applying the last layer of cast tape, fold back Delta-Dry stockinette at proximal and distal side for protection of the skin and soft edges. Fix these cuff ends with the last layer of cast tape. Mold cast with the palm of your hands and check the desired range of motion and any points that may cause irritation or pressure points. Delta-Dry, the solution that fits your life.